Have you ever been to Qatar before? Let me speak for myself. I've never been to Qatar before, and this is my first time I'll be in Qatar. So I decided that why don't I take you guys along, especially the fans coming to Qatar for the World Cup, so that you guys can see the beauty, what Qatar really looks like. And when I came here, I was really amazed. Everywhere is so beautiful. So today's vlog, I'll be showing you the beauty of Qatar's village. Hello beautiful people, it's your girl Shioma and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just seeing this beautiful face for the first time, my name is Shioma, and on this channel I share lifestyle content, weight loss, adventures and places I visit in my city. I am currently based in Doha, Qatar. If this type of content you would like, please do feel free to subscribe to this channel. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you all so much. So today, let's see Qatar's village. Katara village is located on the eastern coast between West Bay and the Pearl. The village is home to a variety of unique architecture. Visitors can enjoy a variety of shops and restaurants in the village. Katara village is the cultural hub of Qatar. It is the home to many museums, arts galleries, and performance venues. Katara village is a place for arts lovers because it has different arts and sculptures there. It also has outdoor air conditioning unit to make everywhere cool even during summer, and the AC unit is underground. This football boat was put together using the same material which is used to create a regular football boat, which includes fiber, leather, resin, foam sheets and acrylic sheets, measuring at 17 feet long and 7 feet high with a weight of over 500 kgs. The aim of the Big Boat exhibition is to show support to Qatar's efforts to highlight the contribution of football to the world as a sport. The boats can be seen alongside the canopies of giant flags at Katara, representing the countries that qualified for the World Cup.
Not now, maybe later.
Hello, beautiful people. I'm with the artist who drew Messi and also has Messi autograph in her artwork. Hello, ma'am. Can we get to know you? What's your name?
I am Claudia Perez from Argentina, and now very happy in Qatar. And with this Messi painting, also this painting have the sign of Messi. So it's very important painting, and so make me very happy.
After the World Cup, are you planning to sell this to people?
Now I will expose in Qatar Fan. It's a fan fest in Iceland. I will expose Messi and other paintings, Maradona, Rodrigo de Paul, and other important players, Neymar also, not only Argentina. After expose in Qatar Fan, I was thinking to sell.
You are thinking to sell?
No, now.
Okay.
Much people ask how much Messi, how much, but really, still I can't.
So there is no price yet for it?
No, and after, after the sign increase the price, the painting. So also, to me it's difficult. If you give me $1 million, I need $1 million. But it's difficult also to sell because for me it's like a son, understand?
Yeah.
So it's difficult to sell. This team is only happiness and good feeling, good sensation, emotions, because so much people, if you can see, come to take picture, so much pictures, so much feelings and joys in my heart. So crazy. I'm happy to know you and and thank you so much to all.
Thank you so much. Can I have my own picture too?
Yes, of course. We need a picture together with Messi, of course.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
In Qatar here we say shukran.
Shukran.
Yeah,
Shukran. Gamila.
Hi.
Hello.
Can I get to know you, please? What's your name?
My name is Brenda. I'm from Argentina.
Do you just get into Qatar? But how long have you been in Qatar?
I've been in Qatar for 1 month, actually. I'm staying here for 4 months between October and February.
Okay. So what are your expectations for the World Cup?
Oh, I hope we win because, it's the last World Cup for Messi and he really deserves it. So we are all waiting for him to win.
Hopefully. And what do you expect in Qatar? Now that you're in Qatar, you're going to be in Qatar for 4 months. So what are your expectations in Qatar?
When I came here, I was a little bit afraid, because of the difference of the culture and everything. But so far, I'm feeling so good here. I haven't been in any trouble or nothing. So I'm happy to be here.
So after the World Cup, would you like to come back here to stay or to visit?
I don't know yet. So far, I have plans to go to Italy, but after that, I don't know. Maybe. Why not?
All right. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Hi. Can I get to know you? What's your name, please?
Giselle.
Francisco.
Francisco.
Josefina.
Of course, you're from Argentina, right?
Yes.
So how long have you guys been in Qatar? How long?
Around 4 months.
Yeah.
Yes.
You're in Qatar now for
Yes,
4 months?
I arrived in July.
July,
Yes.
wow.
Yeah, same. Almost 5.
We all arrived together.
Really?
Yeah.
And are you enjoying your stay in Qatar here?
Yes, it's been really interesting.
Okay.
Yeah, so get to know a whole new culture and country.
Yeah. So Qatar, is it different from what the media tells you about Qatar? I know the media says different things about Qatar. So comparing what the media said and what you're saying here, is it different?
Yes, it's completely different. The media tends to scare people, and it's not like this. It's not that hard. It's just different culture, but people are very nice. You're free, and it's very safe. The country is very safe, so it's very nice to be here. Yes.
And what about you, brother?
Same. It's much free. It's more free than the media says. You can go dress as you want, as you like. There's no repression at all. So it's very nice. Yeah.
Okay. So now, what are you expecting towards the World Cup for Argentina? What do you expect Argentina to do? I know you all are here for Messi. So what are you expecting?
We expect for them to win. Of course. Yeah. Of
Basically,
course.
all of us, the team, the fans. We are very excited about this and about enjoying in general the World Cup. Yes.
Okay. And your sister?
We're expecting the cup.
Hopefully. And this is Messi's last World Cup. So what do you expect from him? Like, what do you really want Messi to do at the pitch?
He's gonna do his best, and I hope he has a lot of fun because this is his last World Cup. So for him, all the best for him, and to enjoy the last World Cup.
All right. Thank you so much. In Qatar, we say shukran. So thank you so much. Some Argentina fans, because Argentina just got into Qatar today. Messi, and this is Messi last World Cup. So Argentina fans, they really came out to like support him, and some of them have been here for like a long time, for like 4 months, some 1 month, just to like show their support. So I was able to interview a few of them, and they really got a lot to say about the Argentina winning. We just wish them all the best. This World Cup is really going to be a good one because the fans are really expecting so much. The fans are expecting so much. So we don't know who is going to win at this point, but definitely there is going to be a winner. These sculptures are made of cooking instruments used to build traditional Indian lunch boxes and glass bowls. Hello beautiful people, so we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, share with your friends and family. And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you all for stopping by. Thank you all for clicking on this video. If you are new to this channel and you are yet to subscribe, please consider subscribing to this channel. Come join this lovely family. So see you all in the next one, but always remember to love yourself. Bye.